What's up, everybody? Welcome to Chuck and Z. My name's Shawn. I'm the general manager at White Lightning Harley-Davidson up in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I've got Chuck and Z here today. We're going over their builds, showing them what we do here at the dealership, and taking them around. Let's see what we can get into.
Hey guys, I'm Z, and we have Mayo here who's going to be talking about the upgrades on our bikes.
Hi, I'm Mayo. I've been here since 2014. I've been working on Harleys in the dealerships for 13 years. Currently becoming a master technician. One of my bikes is a 1990 FXR. Got Screaming Eagle performance parts in it, Thunderheader, T-bars. I also like older bikes. I ride a 77 Shovelhead. Also got a hardtail chopper that I built from the ground up.
Tell about the wagon.
That's not Harley.
It don't matter.
Doesn't matter what you got.
I love that wagon.
All right. I also drive a 1968 Plymouth custom suburban station wagon. It's sitting on 20s and 22s.
So what do we have going on, Mayo?
Well, first, both of the bikes are getting 131 engine kits. They're both getting Legend suspension, front and back. Now yours, it's gonna be a little bit lower than his.
Okay.
That way you'll be able to sit more comfortable on it.
All right, and I won't have to tiptoe.
Right. Yep.
All right.
We did the 14s with the reservoirs on it, and the front will be 2 inches higher than stock. So his will be up.
Wow.
His will be up higher. He'll be able to ride a little bit more aggressive.
Okay.
They're both bikes are getting the S&S 2-in-1s. I believe the teardrop air cleaners.
Stinger.
The Stinger air cleaners. Now we're doing some powder coating on both.
Okay.
We're doing some yellow powder coating on yours.
Some yellow.
The bottom rocker boxes. Some other hints here and there. We're not gonna do too much yellow.
Okay.
So it'll set it off nice.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna go with red on the black bike.
Okay. My favorite color.
There'll be some red on the wheels. The lower rocker boxes will be red. We're doing red Brembo calipers on the front.
Ooh, nice.
Also with his bike, we are going to be putting the new Harley Rockford audio in the front.
Okay, extra bass going on. And I like the bars on his. What kind of bars are those?
Yes, those are the chiseled Harley bars.
Okay.
I believe those are 14s.
14, okay.
And with yours, we're going with a bar and riser combo from Thrashin'.
Awesome. Anything else? The Lepera seats. We have Lepera. I'm getting a tail whip, which is awesome. And then Chuck has
the Outcast GT.
The Outcast GT. It has a backrest on it. It's black with some red accents. So that's going to be really popping.
Yep.
What are you thinking we're going to get as far as performance out of the 131s and the SC tuners?
I mean, hopefully we're shooting around 140 or so. Hopefully a little bit more.
What do you think about that?
That's going to be awesome.
Yeah, I think they'll end up going real good.
Yeah. And that's the cool thing about Mayo. like I was telling you earlier, I mean, his heart is in the right place. He bleeds black and orange more than anyone in here. Okay, you look at his cars, his Harley-Davidson, everything. You know, you look at his bikes, and he loves the brand. He loves what he does. You know, he loves coming in every day, wrenching on y'all's bikes and someone else, and he takes pride in it. Yeah. So you know you're gonna get a quality end product. What we love here, I mean, is taking care of customers. Because I'm sitting here spending y'all's hard-earned, you know, fun money, right? I mean, we all know it ain't easy to put the money that you guys are putting in these bikes and these baggers. You know, that ain't cheap. You know, it's a big move on y'all's part. When I knew when you guys were doing that, you know, I wanted to earn y'all's business respectfully. I'm glad to have you guys here, and you know, we're going to deliver on those builds the way you guys see fit, which they're going to be badass. I'm excited.
Hey, I'm Bruce. I work here at White Lightning Harley-Davidson. I'm known as the gynecologist. Been here roughly 6 years. I worked in service, sales, master certified on both of those. And it's not a cooler job in the world you can have as far as I'm concerned.
What do you ride?
I got a 2006 Dyna Super Glide. Dyna Road all the way.
But did you die? That's nice. Garnet and black. What about this army green one?
I like that one a lot. Grab that one.
Live fast, question authority, work hard, stay humble. We're Dixon.
Love, how are you? Good, how are you? Good. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Did. Want those Dixon socks? The army one? Or the black and white one? He said both.
Hey guys, Jathan down at White Lightning Harley-Davidson Service Department. Been working with Harley-Davidsons now for about probably 20 years. I personally ride a 2015 Ultra Limited, and I'm the shortest guy here, ride the biggest bike. Come down and see us for any of your high performance needs.